welcome back to my channel. Gila here. Today we're going to be testing out the Shark HyperAIR blow dryer. Shark's HyperAIR IQ technology combines high velocity heated air with ionized air for ultra fast drying without any heat damage. So here is this baby. She is by far the lightest and smallest blow dryer I've ever owned, coming in at 730 grams. I got it with the diffuser and concentrator attachment, and that retails for $229 on Amazon. So this is how you turn her on with this button right here. That's how she sounds. And depending on what attachment you have on, the IQ technology predicts the ideal airflow setting and heat setting for you. You can also manually adjust these settings right here with these buttons. In the front is a cool shot button for a burst of cool air to really seal in your style. So this is the diffuser attachment. Clicks on really easily. It starts off with a low prong setting, ideal for short hair or getting closer to the scalp. For longer hair, you just pull this knob and the prongs come out. That's a pretty cool feature. So yeah, and then she pops right off. Here's the concentrator attachment. And here's a knob for even more precision. So is there anything else I need to tell you before we get started? No. So without further ado, let's go see how she performs on my very hard to dry hair. I'm gonna start with sopping wet, freshly styled hair, so no air drying time, and see how long it takes for it to get my hair 98 to 100% dry. I'm very excited to see how it works. All right. Okay, so here we go. I am freshly styled, no air drying, sopping wet, starting the timer. And I am starting off with medium heat and medium airflow. And I'm just going for elongation here, or just keeping the length, not anything too volumizing, just testing how it will dry my hair in my usual style. I'm starting off drying at the roots, drying the roots first because that is the last thing to dry for me, and the overall drying is so much better for me when I start at the roots. Okay, so after 5 minutes, I decided to change the airflow to high. So the temperature remained on medium and the airflow was changed to high, just to speed up the process. So now I'm starting to feel that cast on the outside, so I'm feeling better about touching my hair and really getting in there with the blow dryer without causing any frizz. So now after 10 minutes, I decided to go with low temperature and low airflow so I can get closer to my scalp. Also, I want to add, like, after 10 minutes, my hair is already drier than it would have been with a regular blow dryer after 30 minutes. So, there's that. Yeah, I would get so frustrated with your average hair dryer that I would dry for like 10 minutes, put it down, come back another 10, 15, 20 minutes, put it down, come back, it still wouldn't be dry. It would just take so long. And this is after letting it air dry for a while. Okay, so after 20 minutes going from sopping wet hair and with no air drying beforehand, my hair is like 95% dry. Yeah, it's flat because it's first day hair, but it's dry. I'm very impressed with this blow dryer, and hopefully it's true to its word and won't cause any damage. I didn't feel any dryness with it so far. I'm very happy about my purchase, and it is definitely going to save tons of time and feeling better about first day hair. I want to add that I used the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La and the very thick olive oil eco styler to style, so there's that too. So I decided to go in for another 5 minutes to get it closer to 98% dry. And also I want to add that I did, for the last 10 minutes, put it on low. So maybe if I had kept that to medium airflow and medium heat, it would have dried even faster. So for this last 5 minutes, I put it back to medium airflow, medium heat. So there I go, cutting the timer off. It's been 5 minutes, and I'm ecstatic about how fast this worked. Because usually I would have definitely, after styling, gone and done some stuff, air dried, not gone straight into blow drying. So it would, you know, so it would be fuller, most likely. So the next time I use this blow dryer, I'm going to stick with medium heat, medium airflow for the whole time after air drying for a while and see how long that takes me. Regardless, I am super impressed with this. It's an investment, and if you have the means, I would say go for it to make your curly hair journey a little less daunting. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Be well, take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!